Welcome back to the channel. Google Pixel 7 Pro is finally here. Built with the newer Tensor G2, it gets a speed boost not only in AI but also in photo and video quality. The Pixel 7 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch 512 ppi screen that refreshes up to 120Hz. It weighs 212 grams and is 8.9mm thin. It comes with 12GB of LPDDR5, 128GB or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The Pixel 7 Pro has 4 cameras. The front camera is a 10.8 megapixel f2.2 92.8 degrees ultra-wide view camera. The rear consists of a 50 megapixel main camera of f1.85 82 degrees and 1/1.3-inch image sensor from Samsung. There is also a 48 megapixel telephoto at f3.5 which has a 5 times optical zoom and can do super res up to 30 times. The third camera is a 12 megapixel ultra-wide f2.2 at 125.8 degrees wide-angle camera. OIS and EIS are available on the wide and telephoto camera. The Pixel 7 Pro also has Magic Erase, Photo Unblur, Real Tone, Face Unblur to enhance your photos. As for video, it can record up to 4K 60 frames per second with the back camera and front camera. The camera can also do cinematic pan, slow motion of up to 240 frames per second. This phone supports dual SIM, a physical and eSIM, and supports all the 5G Sub-6 NSA and SA networks. The Pixel 7 Pro now comes with 5 years of Pixel updates. In this section, we'll compare the Pixel 7 Pro with our Mi 10T Pro 5G. We took normal shots, wide-angle shots, and zoom shots in indoor and outdoor environments. We also take it to a maximum zoom of 30 times. These are some dim light shots that we took within a shopping mall. As you can see, the Mi 10T Pro has a bigger aperture and the photo taken seems brighter than the Pixel 7 Pro. We took this hibiscus in a very dark garden. As you can see, the Pixel 7 Pro with night sight actually brings out the details of the flower. The photo taken using the Mi 10T Pro appears brighter. That's because of its wider aperture size. We took 2 videos using the Pixel 7 Pro and Mi 10T Pro, both using the front camera and the back camera. Notice that the video shot on Pixel 7 Pro is more stable compared to the Mi 10T Pro. The differences of the video quality is more apparent under low light conditions. Photo Unblur is a feature exclusive to the Pixel 7 series. It reduces the noise and takes out of focus photos. The good thing is that it also works with photos taken from other phones. It can be accessed from the tools in the Photos app. Magic Eraser is a function that allows you to actually delete certain objects that you do not want to see in the picture. Now there's another feature called camouflage. What it does is that it actually selects the object in front and then blends it with the background. So other than these features, you can also change the skyline with different sets of colors like vivid, luminous, radiant, rainbow, etc. Something new on the Pixel 7 series is the macro focus. When the object is close to the lens, the macro mode will be activated. You can take close-up shots easily. The Google 7 Pro maintains most of the Pixel 6 Pro features and replaces it with a newer Tensor G2 processor. The Pixel phones are famous for its computational photography. Night shots are excellent. The photos tend to be darker than the Mi 10T Pro that we tested against. With the Pixel 7 Pro, digital zoom can now go up to 30 times, optical zoom of up to 5 times. This is an improvement over the Pixel 6 Pro. The 30 times super res digital zoom is very impressive, with little noise during day shots. Other than that, it also has features like magic eraser, long exposure shots, face unblur. There are interesting features that work very well on the Pixel. One complaint that we have is the overheating issue while shooting in 4K 60 frames per second. Within 2 minutes, a pop-up message indicates that recording will deteriorate. Perhaps a new firmware can fix this issue. Currently, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will work on the 5G, SA and NSA network on all 3 major telcos in Singapore. This concludes our video review of the Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video review, and do like and subscribe to our channel and share out the link to all your friends who are interested in the Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.